All right, what's going on? You probably watched a lot of OLSP review videos and you're looking for the best affiliate marketing for beginners in 2024. Then I want to share with you the OLSP system and let you know that I'm a real OLSP user, so I can give you a real OLSP review so you can get a better understanding of how this system can work for you. Now, what I love about this system that it is pretty much a done for you system in a sense where you only have to take one link, that is the mega link. Take that one link, share that one link, and then you'll be able to earn up to 7 income streams on the back end, and it's only a one-time $7 investment. So with that being said, let's go ahead on and get into this video right now. I'm just going to take you for a tour through the back office, and then I'm going to show you how I get traffic, okay, to my mega link, you know, with the OLSP system. So let's go ahead on and jump in right now. All right, here we go. Now, here I am inside of my OLSP system back office. If I refresh the page, you'll see that it's my back office. You see over here, if I grab my little pen up here, grab my little tool, I want to go red, and we're going to go with the pencil. You'll see right here, I've earned $512 so far with it using this system. And what you're going to get with the system, if you come down here, you're going to get the mega link, which is right here. You want the mega link, and it's only $7 investment. Let me see if I can make this thing a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's only a $7 investment for the mega link, so you're going to invest $7 one time. That's it for the mega link. With the mega link, you're going to get the Facebook 101 training, which is right here. This is going to teach you how to get free organic traffic using Facebook, okay? And that comes with the mega link. Also with the mega link, you're going to get access to Comment Dominator Pro. Okay, Comment Dominator Pro, what happens with it is you get to earn small commissions by commenting on posts that are inside of the OLSP system. And so if you are a beginner affiliate marketer, earning your first commissions, you know, regardless of the amount, can be a win for you. And it is for a lot of people who are just, you know, joining this system right now. So those are the products that you get. Along with that, also you're going to get access to the OLSP user guide here, and you get these two products right here for free as well. So all of that, you get that for $7. As I said before, you can see the commissions I've earned right here so far, $512.99. So let's look at this. Let me close this out. So if you look at the mega link, we're going to go to the mega link and access the product. You're going to get access to what is the OLSP system, short video, grabbing your mega link, getting traffic, next step, and becoming a mega affiliate. Okay, grabbing your mega link is going to, this is a 19-minute video. It's going to talk to you how to do that here. Your mega link actually is up here at the top as well, so you can grab that link right there, and I'm going to show you how to use it in a minute. Then you're going to get traffic. You're able to get traffic using the Facebook 101 and the traffic challenge fast start. Let me show you that. So this is another product that you get with that as well. The traffic challenge fast start is another product. So it's going to show you how to do that. So let's go back to the access. So we looked at getting traffic. You know, the Facebook 101, the traffic challenge fast start. And then the next step, commissions, show you about your commission, the OLSP user guide, and Comment Dominator Pro. So if I come back over here to the dashboard and click on Comment Dominator Pro, and just from the comments I've earned $2.25 just from commenting, 10 comments made. So you're earning like 25 cents per, you know, comment that you make. You have to make some good comments. It just can't be anything, you know, real short and talking about, you know, it had to be some real good comments. And he shows you how to do this in that video right here. So if I go back to the dashboard, with the Facebook 101, we look at that product. You're going to have all of this training right here, the complete guide, the basics, adding friends, profile setup, post types, warm up and warm down. This is going to show you how to get free organic traffic using Facebook. Okay, let's go back. Let's look at the other product that we get. We've already looked at Comment Dominator Pro, the OLSP user guide. This is going to teach you how to grab your mega link, the visitor's journey, your leads, your dashboard, account setting, commissions, upcoming events, getting support, your commission rate. What is here? This is another video, and then the glossary, of course. So then back to the basics. So you want to go through all of these videos as well, so to get you up and going. Now let's go back to it one more time with the traffic and challenge fast start. You're going to have challenges day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and day 5. All of this is going to teach you how to get traffic, you know, as a beginner in the affiliate marketing, you know, arena. Okay, so the OLSP system has you covered in every area. You just simply have to follow the steps. So the steps are as followed. Once you get the mega link, go watch these 3 videos first. Step 1, 2, and 3. Then come down and go through the mega link training. It's going to teach you everything that you need to do. It's pretty much done for you, and I'm going to show you that in a minute. The only thing you have to do is send traffic to 1 link, earn up to 7 streams of income. And the Facebook 101 training, Comment Dominator Pro, the OLSP user guide. So one of the ways that I get traffic to this is, one is following this training here. Following this training right here, using Facebook. I'm not a big Facebook person, but I do follow this training here as well. Another one is what I like to do is that I grab my link and I use a system for traffic called Traffic Zest. But you don't have to use Traffic Zest. You can actually come down here, take this link, come over here to buy traffic, and you can come down here and purchase traffic right here. Click order traffic. It's going to open up. You can come and read this page, come down through here, and you can click here to place your order. It's going to take you down here where you can purchase clicks. You just give them your link and you're good to go. So it has traffic inside that you can use already. But one of the systems that I use is called Traffic Zest. And what I do with Traffic Zest, I'm just going to set up a quick campaign and walk you through the process. But the first thing you have to do when you click the link in the description is add $100 up here to your balance. Okay, you have to have $100 in here. You're going to add funds, and you can use your credit card, debit card, and all of that good stuff. But anyway, we're going to click add new campaign. We're going to get a campaign a name. We're just going to say, just give it a name, Mega Link Test. All right, then you're going to put your URL right there. You're going to paste it. You're going to scroll down through here, leave it on start, no end date. Make money online. You're going to have a drop down. You want to make money online. You're going to be able to choose traffic providers. I would leave it wide open till you see what's working for you. You can choose your countries. I will come down here and just select top tier countries. It puts the top 5 in there. Devices, you can control it here, desktop, smartphone, tablet. If you see that you're spending a lot on smartphones, you can cut it off. But anyway, I'm gonna leave that wide open. I'm gonna leave that open. Traffic tags, I'm gonna go for email clicks, and that's what I suggest you do as well. Go for email clicks. You can set your bid right here. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about this. Just come down and set your daily budget to whatever. 0. Okay, that's it. It's going to tell you over here how many clicks you can get per day, but you're not going to get 5,128 per day because you set your budget for $10. What I like about this, you're able to come in here and pause this, turn it on as you want. Once you get ready to activate it, you click on activate and you save the campaign, and you are going to start getting traffic instantly from these vendors here. Now understand, you're paying for clicks here as well. You're going to have to build a relationship with these people in your email. And the thing about it you're going to have to build a relationship with them in your email if you run them to your own page. But this page right here, and if we take a look at it, if I come over here and paste it in, it's going to have an opt-in page for you where they do all of the selling and telling for you, so you don't have to. They do all of the email follow with you. Anytime someone purchases anything in the system, guess what? You earn a commission. When someone enters their email here, back over here, they're going to go up under the section called your leads. So I'm not going to click on my lead because I have a bunch of them in there. So you're going to see leads. When you click on your leads, it's going to show up over here. You're going to see the customers who actually purchase right here when you click on that as well. So you're going to get all the information. They do all of the following up for you. Your only sole responsibility is promote this link, share this link via Facebook, buying traffic within here, and Traffic Zest. And I will leave a link to another provider that I use down there as well, so you can check them out. And that's pretty much it. Once you get this up and you're ready, you click save campaign, you're good to go. Okay, I'm not going to save that campaign. Matter of fact, I'm just going to exit out of it, discard all changes, and it's gone. So that's how that works. So it's pretty simple. You get to control your budget in here. You can use it. Like I said, your main goal is to share this link with as many people as possible. Anytime any products are sold, you earn a commission just from sharing your link, free and paid methods. So I hope you got value from this video. Give me a thumbs up, like the video, leave me a comment below. Also, subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. This is Richard Hairston. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.